Hi you guys, welcome to my channel Herkitchenette. So today we're going to be making chocolate cookies. I was about to say chocolate chip cookies, but no, straight up chocolate cookies. It's going to have white chocolate in it with peppermint. Before finding this recipe, I've never had a chocolate cookie before, so I was ecstatic when I found this recipe. It tastes so delicious. You can give them away to your friends and family and they will love it. So let's just go ahead and make this recipe. Alright, so in here we have some cocoa powder, sea salt, baking soda, and in here I use cake flour, but you can definitely use all-purpose flour. You can definitely tell the difference with the flour that you use. Alright, so in this bowl I have some granulated sugar and some dark brown sugar. I usually use light brown sugar, but I didn't have that on hand, and that's okay. I have some butter that's been melted and cooled completely. And then down here we just have some vanilla extract, and we have 1 room temperature egg. So let's go ahead and get everything into the mixing bowl. Okay, so what you want to do first is add in your sugars. Get out of there. It's been sitting for a minute. And then add in your melted butter. You can definitely do this without a stand mixer. I just have it, so I'm gonna use it to make it easier on me. If you're using a stand mixer, just go ahead and put it on stir. Alright. You wanna make sure for the most part that your sugar clumps are not clumped up anymore. And then we're just gonna go ahead and add in your egg. And then we can add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I like to just use this cap as my teaspoons. And then we're gonna mix this up first before we add in the flour. Okay. And I'm gonna bump this up to number 2. Alright, see, it doesn't take that long. As you can see, if you want to come in, the egg is mixed in all the way. So now we're going to add in the cocoa powder and flour. So I did sift all of the flour and cocoa powder together, and then I'm just going to add them into the mixing bowl. Okay. I'm probably going to add 2 scoops in and then mix it up and then add the rest in. Alright. This looks amazing. If you don't want to use no chocolate chips, you don't have to. So we're going to use some white chocolate chips today, and we're going to add in 3/4 cup of these bad boys. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Just move those to the side. We're gonna give this just a quick mix, okay? That looks great. And then all we have left to do is scoop these out onto a cookie pan and put them in the oven. I didn't tell you this earlier. Go ahead and preheat your oven before you do this. I hope you watched the whole video before making this so that way you know. And you can amplify your cookie dough by just adding crushed peppermints on top, and the bake time will be the same. To set these bad boys off, I'm gonna use some sea salt and just sprinkle it on top of the cookies. Not a lot, but just enough. So watch this. 1. That's it. 1 on these bad boys and done. Alright, and I think what's left to do now is taste these cookies. Should I try one with peppermint or no? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I like this one here. Let's come take a look at it. Yeah, I know that looked good. So I'm gonna break it open. It tastes like a warm chocolate cake. Tell me that doesn't sound good. With your white chocolate and your peppermint candy on top. Okay, give me a minute. Pour yourself a glass of milk and you can have like 5 of these cookies, no joke. As long as you have something to wash it down with, you're good, because these is rich, okay? But they are so delicious. I really hope you try these. I hope you love it, because I love it. And whatever I love, majority of the time, everybody will love. Because I have good taste buds. I have great taste buds, okay? All right, so thank you for watching. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Bye.